Let's look at the improved ways to choose and replace images in your project. One way is to right-click an image, and from the context menu, select Image. This submenu gives you two choices. You can either use Select File to open the standard System File dialog, or you can choose Image Browser, which opens a panel showing all images available in your project. Simply click on any image in the browser to instantly replace the one on the page. Alternatively, you can manage images from the Properties panel. With an image selected, find the source field and click the folder icon. This reveals the same two options: Select File to use the System dialog, or Image Browser to open the project's image library. Finally, for those who prefer the classic method, the double-click shortcut is still fully functional. Double-clicking an image directly opens the System File dialog for a quick replacement. Navigate to your file, select it, and the image on your page is updated instantly.